following program is closed captioned for the thinking impaired.
Tell your master we have arrived.
I am the Supreme Being. I'm not entirely dim.
Please come in. I've been waiting for you.
This sort of thing has cropped up before, and it has always been due to human error.
And now, to proceed with my plan. Oh, don't panic! Don't panic! Get out of here now! Oh, don't panic! Don't panic! Get out of here now! Oh, don't panic! Don't panic! Get out of here now!
We are not of one mind, but we now speak with one voice.
Obey me or I shall destroy you!
It was terrible! It was just terrible! I'll never get over as long as I live! Get out of here now!
Come and get me. What is thy bidding, my master?
Stand by for mind control!
There seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
Are mutants dangerous?
Personally, I give us one chance in 3.
Life will go on. We will prevail.
I've got images in my brain I'll never get out!
Are you pondering what I'm pondering?
You don't seem to realize the cosmic importance of this.
Warning! 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 Alien approaching! I've got terrible news.
Code Red, repeat, we are Code Red.
I'm very disappointed. In fact, I'm starting to get a little upset. We are in serious trouble.
Failure is not an option.
Do not panic! Do not panic! We are trained professionals!
My mind is going. There is no question about it.
Didn't your mother ever tell you not to play with your food?
I knew you'd say that.
Breathe deep, the gathering gloom.
Evacuate? In our moment of triumph? I think you overestimate their chances.
Scotty, beat me up.
It happened before. It will happen again. It's just a question of when.